What's up, my friends? Big George here, and today I'm going to show you the Frey. That's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 or 3 car garage, depending on the community, with 1580 square foot. This is again one of our new product lines that you're going to absolutely love. So I can't wait. I'm just going to turn this camera around so I can get right to showing you the Frey. So what do you think of that, my friends? This is the Frey. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 or 3 car garage, depending on the community. It's 1580 square foot, and as you can see behind me, covered lanai, luxury vinyl planking flooring, 9-foot ceilings, and look at these windows. I mean, my Lord, there are, 7 windows in this living room area and kitchen area. Very light, very bright. You're just not gonna find anything out there like it. So just give Big George a call, 727-542-7773, and I can take you to the communities that have this wonderful floor plan and show you the right community and the right home, and give you that VIP treatment. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Anything you need in between, give Big George a call. I'm here for you. I'll see you guys later.